Hi, my name is Matt Crowley, Product Manager here at Atlas Copco. In today's Product Essential video, we're going to look at running a workpiece in the ILS 2.0 software. With that said, let's go ahead and jump in. So now we want to look at running the workpiece. In order to do that, the first thing we have to do is under the mode menu, we want to go down and select our actual process here. And you can see here, we have the option to enter an ID and run this in manual mode. So what I can do is I can enter a workpiece ID. We'll use our workpiece 1 ID. I can select the check mark and you can see it brings up my workpiece that I want to run through. And now what I can do is manually start running through all of these positions with my tool. We can see I have the option up here to reset the process control, which again, it would essentially negate everything we've done thus far and send nothing back to the controller and restart it. I can just finish the workpiece, and then I can also skip a position if I wanted as well, because these were all enabled back in our workplace when we originally set this up. Now it's just a matter of running through our sequence of fasteners. So first, we want to put the tool on the position for the first fastener, and then once it turns blue, we can run it down. Then we can move to the next fastener in the sequence and run that one down. And we'll move to the third fastener in the sequence, and so on and so forth. The one other thing we want to look at here to keep in mind is if we go back to the setup menu and we go into our workplace, we can see we did have the option to run a fixed workpiece. So if we enabled that and set our workpiece 1 to fixed, if we save it and go back here to our process, we can see that we're allowed to enable workpiece ID number 1, but if I were to try to enable any other workpiece ID here, you can see it does not allow me to select any other workpiece ID outside of workpiece 1 because we did set this process to be fixed on workplace number 1. So just to show you the alternative, if I go back to setup, go into my workplace, and I disable the fixed workpiece and save it. Now if I come back in here, you can see it will allow me to, in fact, enable alternative workpieces, not just workpiece number 1. That concludes today's Product Essential video on running a workpiece in the ILS 2.0 software. If you have any questions, reach out to your local Atlas Copco rep, and thank you for watching.